In this video, I'm going to show you how to make images bigger on StrawPage. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is add an image. So I'm going to click on the plus button over here and then select any of these squares like this, click on image and select an image from my file. So I'm going to click on this one and click on open. And whenever you do this, you have to click on add this image as well. And usually, as you can see, it's going to wait for a few seconds. There we go. And then it's going to load in. However, the image is very, very small. So to make it bigger, it's actually very simple. You simply have to click on it, and then here, as you can see, you have like the borders. Okay, so you want to click on this circle over here, bottom right, and when you click and drag just like this, as you can see, you can make your image bigger. Then you can just move it around and again click on it and make it much bigger just like this. And of course, that's one way. And the second one is by just going down here at the bottom when you click on your image and it's selected, and you could go and basically set its scale like that. You could go and set its height and width as well, and that's also going to kind of make your image bigger. So those are essentially all the ways you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.